over another BRRRR case study today. Today we're talking about 560 Jamaica here in St. Louis, Missouri. One of our early BRRRR cases, or BRRRR properties that we put under contract and under management. BRRRR, if you're not familiar, is an awesome way to acquire rental properties by buying them, rehabbing them, renting them out, refinancing them, and then repeating. And the reason we like it so much is because we're able to use other people's money to acquire rental properties and then create equity and cash flow for ourselves using little to no of our own money. So let's go over the details of this one. So here's 560 Jamaica. This is when we bought it, had some stuff in there. There's a carport. This is a 3-1. We're always shooting for 3 bedrooms. Sometimes we get a little bit less. So we bought this one back in July 2017. We paid $59,000 for it with all the closing costs and everything. It came out to $59,461, and we use a private lender for that. So the reason we like to use a private lender, again, we're using somebody else's money. We estimated it was going to take us about 45 days to rehab it and about 45 days to refinance. Really about a total of 90 days to rehab and then refinance this property. The estimated repair budget we had planned on spending was about $16,000, which would put us into this property for around $76,000. And we thought our ARV, or the value afterwards, would be about $93,000, and we'd get about $11.50 a month in rent. So this was our one of our first bigger projects, meaning that we have some maintenance guys in house, and we had some guys using that we were using on some of our flips, but we didn't really do any third-party stuff. So we weren't really using outside contractors. It was just kind of like our buddies and stuff like that. So we're really kind of starting to scale up here on this property. We also, again, we didn't have a great, process. We didn't have a great scope of work, but this is what we were planning. We're planning to clean it, paint it, add some new countertops. The water heater was shot, so we had to replace that. Put some new hardware on the kitchen and clean and paint things up. So basically just a little bit of exterior cleanup, try to add some value there. What ended up happening, we ended up putting about $16,000 in the property. So here's the kitchen afterwards. The bathroom, you can see, was in good shape, so we just cleaned it up. I think it was a new toilet, new vanity. We just cleaned it up. We ended up spending $17,200 on our repairs, and we're into the property for a total of $76,000. So we were a little bit over our estimated budget, but that's okay. What happened? We rented it out for $1,150 a month, and when we refinanced it, we had an appraisal at $95,000. So 95 minus that 76, we've got an equity capture on paper of about $18,000. If you do the math, 80% of that $95,000 is right around $76,000. So this one we probably left maybe $1,000 in, but you can see we're going to cash flow $472 a month every month. We're going to get that money back in 2 months, guys. So again, we're basically into this one for almost no money. This is a BRRRR example, real life case study where we've applied the BRRRR strategy. If you're interested in learning more, check out the free landlordcourse.com, or you can check out our book on Amazon, The BRRRR Method. Thanks for watching, guys.